So second package from the sale from Adidas. My Ultra Boost came in yesterday, and then these are the other shoes I ordered from Adidas. So let's get to it. Got my receipt on deck. Let's get to the shoes. Blue Adidas box. They are the Adidas SL Loop Runners, size 7.5. Color is red, red, red. These are, I believe, the red Reptiles or the Crocs. These are really nice in person. A mesh material, the toe box. Then you have the Reptile, the Croc material here. And then a gold accent with the SL loop. The bottoms. I remember when these first dropped, the resale on these were crazy. But after they kept restocking, then price went down. I got these. Yeah, I got these for $56. Retail on these were like $70, 30% off, and then these were $56. That was a good steal, in my opinion. These are really clean in person. Definitely break necks. Here's the inside. It says Adidas. Very, very, very clean shoe. I mean, this year is like the hyped up anything that's red from Kanye, so they be putting a lot of red shoes out lately, and I decided to pick these up for a good deal. Tell you guys think. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Until next time, see you guys later. Peace.